Hello, myself Josie Janvi. Roll number is 15. Topic is Bhopal disaster. The Bhopal gas tragedy is one of the world's major accidents in 20th century. The Bhopal disaster, also referred to as the Bhopal gas tragedy, was a gas leak incident on the night of 2-3 December 1984 at the Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India. This picture is Union Carbide plant, which gas is leaked in Bhopal. Over 15,000 people were killed after methyl isocyanate leaked from the pesticide plant of a Union Carbide Limited in the city of Bhopal. More than 5 lakh people were affected due to the toxic leak. The highly toxic methyl isocyanate gas can cause death within a minute of inhalation if its concentration exceeds 21 ppm. This structure is methyl isocyanate structure. What were the effect of a Bhopal gas tragedy? Methyl isocyanate gas leak killed more than 15,000 people and affected over 16,000 workers. The stillbirth rate and neonatal mortality rate increased up to 300% and 200% respectively. The gas leak impacted trees and animals too. Some 500,000 survivors suffered respiratory problems, eye irritation or blindness, and other maladies resulting from exposure to the toxic gas. Apart from the human too, we also can't ignore the environmental effect of the disaster. Over 2,000 animals were killed by the gas that night, most of them livestock that people relied on for food. The heavy gas was absorbed into local rivers, making the water undrinkable and poisoning the fish. Who is responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy? The main victims blamed for the tragedy is Warren Anderson. Was the source of a deadly methyl isocyanate gas. After the gas leak, Anderson was arrested and then released on bail by the Madhya Pradesh police on December 7. He left India immediately after singing a bond of 25,000 rupees and has refused to return ever since. What is the main cause of Bhopal gas tragedy? The disaster happened because water entered a tank containing methyl isocyanate. This caused a chemical reaction which resulted in the buildup of much carbon dioxide among other things. The resulting reaction increased the temperature inside the tank to reach over 200 Celsius. This is tank picture. Methyl isocyanate leaked from this tank. What is the conclusion of a Bhopal gas tragedy? The Bhopal disaster has gone down in history as one of the world's worst industrial accidents to ever occur. Thousands of people lost their lives, countless others injured, and the environmental contaminated due numerous bad decisions among those who owned the plant. There are several other industries still now working only for their profit, leaving the safety of people in it and around it in waters. The government should take necessary steps to control these industries so that no other disaster occurs. What lesson do we learn from the Bhopal gas tragedy? The main lesson to be learned from the Bhopal gas disaster is about the danger of the chemical that we use every day. Now we know about what the chemical we use on regular basis can do to our bodies and surrounding. The chemical can harm future generation. Bhopal has taught us that every decision has a consequence. In the case of a Bhopal, the decision to turn off the safety system turned out to cause more destruction than it should have. Had the safety system been in working order, the link would not have been as damaging. The second lesson that can be learned in that the legal system does not always work to protect victims. Bhopal has shown that sometimes corporations do not have to pay for the crimes they commit. The polluter does not always have to pay. Thank you.